Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Techno-E-Solution. In this video, I will show you how to install Arduino IDE software in your Windows 10 PC. For downloading Arduino IDE software, first open your browser and search for Arduino IDE. Click on the first link, which is official link of Arduino. In the website, click on the software menu button. Here you can download the latest version of Arduino IDE software. Here are the download links for different operating systems like Windows, Linux and Mac. I will download for the Windows 10, so I click on the first option. For your information, Arduino IDE is open source software for everyone. It's asking for some contribution. If you can contribute, otherwise you can click on just download button. Here you can see downloading is started. It will take some time. If you are first time on my channel, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my all the latest video updates. I already installed the Arduino IDE setup. So just click on this setup file. Just click on I agree button. Click on next. Install. It will take time to install in the PC. You can see the software is successfully get installed in my PC. Just close this setup. You can see, just open this software. Finally, you can program your Arduino board and make different projects. If you are interested in Arduino projects, then you should subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting projects. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video.
Fearless.